Babur's advent in India in 1526 marked a decisive turning point in Indian history, laying the foundation of the Mughal Empire, which shaped the subcontinent's political, cultural, and social life for over 3 centuries. For the first time since the fall of the Kushan Empire, strategic regions like Kabul and Kandahar became integral to an empire encompassing northern India. In northern India, Babur ended the dominance of the Afghan Lodis and defeated the Rajput Confederacy led by Rana Sanga, paving the way for the establishment of a unified Mughal authority. Babur's military campaigns in India were marked by strategic brilliance and technological innovation. His victories demonstrated exceptional military skill and careful planning. Battles such as Khanwa in 1527 and Gagra in 1529 consolidated his power, neutralized major threats, and stabilized the emerging empire. He also introduced new modes of warfare, including the use of artillery and gunpowder, as well as the Tulukma system of dividing the army into units with reserves, which reduced the importance of forts and transformed Indian battle strategies. Babur's conquests strengthened India's security against external invasions. Control over Kabul and Kandahar enabled him and his successors to protect northern India from repeated attacks for nearly 300 years. Economically, these territories promoted trans-Asian trade by linking India with Central Asia, China, and Mediterranean ports. Politically, Babur set an important precedent by declaring himself Padshah and freeing the crown from the authority of the Caliph. This step encouraged inclusiveness and laid the foundation for a policy of religious tolerance under the Mughal state. In conclusion, Babur's advent in India was historically significant because it led to the foundation of the Mughal Empire and reshaped the political, military, and cultural landscape of the subcontinent.